I recorded earlier what I was going to start building out of 3 different vehicles, but I've also obviously lost it somewhere, and I just lost my bolt shaft I made when I started cleaning up my mess a little bit. So here it is anyway. I took the car, I turned it upside down, I put the steering in the back. I'm going to put rudders on it for the steering. Do you believe? I'm going to modify a little bit so it definitely floats a little better. But there you go. And as you specify it, when you turn it, the rudders will move. I don't know if it's on or not. There. The other motor is just kind of sitting in there, and I'm going to change it out.